Hello, my name is Morgan, and today we're going to talk about biology, which is a new chapter in our channel. Until now, we only talked about the math, which is still interesting, but yeah, it's still a math. But from now on, we're going to talk about biology or chemistry, which is another subject, and that's very interesting. And today, we are going to talk about photosynthesis, but if you want to get more information about other biology or chemistry, please stay tuned with our channel. So let's get started with our first biology lecture, which is photosynthesis. It's Morgan, as I told you, and we're going to talk about photosynthesis in biology. Step 1. What is photosynthesis? I know you're getting kind of confused, but what is synthesis then? Look at this photo. Different puzzle pieces are come together to make an entire huge picture or huge, I don't know, things. So, what is synthesis? Yes, synthesis is a combination of two or more different elements or substances. Then, what is photosynthesis? Is it related to synthesis? Or is it just a photo, like picture and like synthesis thing? But it's related to plants, and what is it? Like, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process that plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and the energy in the form of sugar. The energy in the form of sugar is a glucose, which is type of sugar. If you see the picture, the sunflower is getting light energy from the plant, light energy from the sun and water and carbon dioxide. And it produces and it makes the oxygen, which is O2, and sugar. That's like photosynthesis. It's simple, isn't it? Step 2. Why are plants important to humans? Photosynthesis only happens in plant, not in human or not in animals. And why is that important? It's actually simple because like we need to breathe, we need to eat, and we need to get medicine. So first of all, breathing. To breathe, we need oxygen, and it's like a really important thing in our life. If we don't have oxygen, we're gonna die. However, as I told you, plant produces oxygen. And then we use that oxygen, so it's like really important. Second, we can eat the plant. Think about salad. There's a lettuce, there's celeries, or etc. There are a lot of things that we actually eat, so plants can be our food resources. Third, we can get a medicine from a plant. That's really important. Step 3. Now we learned about simple procedure of photosynthesis, and we learned about some importance of the plants. So step 3 is let's get deep into the photosynthesis. The key words to learn is chloroplast, guard cells, and xylem. First of all, what is chloroplast? In chloroplast, there's a chlorophyll, which is a green pigment because it reflects all the green lights and absorbs the other color spectrum rather than the green. And it is the part where the water and carbon dioxide is turned into oxygen and glucose. Oxygen, however, plant doesn't need oxygen to grow up, so it is actually a waste for a plant. That's why we can use oxygen from plants. However, glucose is like really important food for plant because to grow the plants or to grow up, glucose is like really important source for plants. So that's like the main function of chlorophyll and a chloroplast. And the next one is guard cell. What is guard? Guarding is like protecting something. It's actually protecting the plants too. So guard cell originate the stomata, which is the pathway. So to originate stomata, guard cells need to be impaired, always. If it's swollen, stomata opens, which is the pathway for oxygen and carbon dioxide. So oxygen can move out of the cells, and carbon dioxide can move into the plant. So it's really important. And if it's shrunken, the stomata closed, and the pathway also closed. Why does stomata need to be open and closed consequently? It's because too much CO2 will dehydrate the plant and kill it. We don't want that, so we need guard cell to swollen and shrunken, and stomata need to be open and closed. The last one is xylem and phloem. This is not important for the photosynthesis. This is just for the plant structure. It actually affects the photosynthesis, but you're gonna learn more about the structure and the plant's biology. However, simply and briefly explained, these two are the pathway for the plant. Water and minerals or other foods or like glucose thing moves around this two pathway. However, xylem is the one-way pathway and the phloem is two-way pathway. That's like the main differences. It was like a real simple and brief overview of the biology of photosynthesis. Of course, you're going to learn more deeply and more advanced thing in your classroom or school. However, I hope this video helped you to learn a basic concept about photosynthesis or plant structure. Plants seem very still and solid, but it is actually working hard to produce significant elements for us. Look at the tree. It's very still, but it's actually producing a massive amount of oxygen for us. I hope this video helped you a lot, and stay tuned with our further following videos. Thank you!